Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you how to add admins on an Unturned server. Firstly, you want to head over to Server.pro and into Unturned Server. For proceeding, we recommend turning off your server to ensure no errors occur during file editing. Then make sure you head to Files, Servers, Default Server, and then open the commands.dat file. There, all you have to do is enter a new line, like so, and enter the following: owner, and then the Steam ID number for the person you'd like to be added as an admin. If you want to add multiple, make sure you enter them in a new line. However, if you don't know how to find a Steam ID, we'll leave the link in the description to a tutorial. Once you're done adding all the admins, all you have to do is save and then go back to the home tab to start up your server again. And that's it, those people will now be treated as admins. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.